Hey guys, Coach Rich Thurman here in San Francisco, California, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit of my movement practice. I spend a lot of time trial and error and just kind of moving around, figuring things out, choreographing, sorting through movements, including animal flow and yoga and other sorts of things. I think there's multiple ways you can approach your movement practice. I think there's benefit to choreographing things because then you learn. That comes out of my dance, experience with salsa. But I think there's also just some benefit to just moving around and playing and seeing what the body is capable of. Anyway, here's the end result of what I kind of practiced throughout this session. I hope you'll enjoy it.